tired of throwing out your rugs? Well, I've got a solution for you coming up. Tori here with water.Dry, the place to be to create a home buyers or anyone for that matter will find irresistible. So today I'm checking out a new product and it's on my floor. You may have noticed that I've done previous product reviews in terms of rugs, and I usually go to the floor carpet tile. If you want to see that video, you can check it out here. But this is a new product and I want to tell you about it because I fell in love.
Ruggable is a two-piece rug system that provides a solution to the common complaints with the rugs on today's market. If you have kids or animals in your home, we all know accidents are bound to happen, right? But cleaning a rug is no longer a chore with Ruggable. Here's how it works. A cushioned, non-slip rug pad acts as a solid base to a variety of stylish covers. With its special cling effect technology, the stain-resistant and waterproof cover firmly attaches to the rug pad but can instantly be removed for a no-fuss wash through, you guessed it, your washer and dryer. My 8x10 cover layer easily fits in my machine. Wash the rug in a regular cycle with cold water. Dry covers in the dryer on low to medium heat. Once cleaned, set the rug back on the pad, smooth out, and enjoy. I also love all the stylish designs this company offers to keep your room on trend.
So check out Ruggable at Ruggable.com and see if this could be a good solution for your busy household. Want more home decorating tips? Check out this video next, and until next time, happy decorating.